यार ये तरीका बहुत ही प्यारा है। इससे एक तो मुर्गियाँ महफूज रहती हैं बिल्ली से, जानवरों से, गिदड़ वगैरह से। ये घरों में इस्तेमाल भी आराम से, इससे मुर्गी आज़ाद होती है, जैसे आज़ाद चर फिर के खुद खाती है। ये जो जिसके घर में ये लॉन वगैरह होता है तो वहाँ पर एक मखसूस जगह में ये बना दें तो बहुत इसका बेनिफिट है।
This design not only prevents the chickens from wandering around and damaging crops, but also protects them from predators. To save space, some farms have even elevated these chicken tunnels. Compared to traditional chicken farming, chickens that run back and forth in the tunnel daily develop firmer muscles and tastier, chewier meat. There's also an upgraded version of the chicken tunnel. This circular chicken cage not only allows the chickens to run freely, but also helps them avoid sudden attacks from eagles, as shown in the video. So, if you're dreaming of raising chickens in the countryside, try applying these smart innovations. Who knows, you might become $1 million farm owner in the future.